Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about lifetime hoses for your oil and your fuel up in the engine compartment. Now, we're going to be talking about the blue lifetime hoses here. The brown ones are the same material, it's a different color, and it's a little bit cheaper for whatever reason. But let's talk a little bit about the hoses. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, back when we did that video last year, we took the time to calculate the lengths and the prices and work out with a matrix what it costs per inch of the hose and what the connectors cost on either end. And we were kind of proud of ourselves, and that gave us a good stable way to figure when a customer needed a hose. We could take the measurements, we could multiply the rate, we knew the connectors that were on the end, and Bob was our uncle. We could call up Herbert Aircraft and we knew what the price of the hoses were going to be. Well, let me tell you, we just had to do some hoses for an airplane that was in, and he needed 7 hoses, which in the old system of things would have been about $850, maybe $900. The shocking surprise was the new set of hoses were $1,389.08, and that does not include shipping. So throw everything you saw in that video I did last year on the price of hoses out the window. Hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.